All right, eighth grade, this is your bell work. It is point of view. All right, thanks for joining me. First of all, I want to give you guys a little bit of notes, a little bit of background. It says, in the following sentences, circle the word or words that show point of view on the blank to the left of each sentence. Write first, second, or third to indicate whether the sentence was written in the first, second, third person point of view. So, if I'm doing first person, that uses words such as I and we. If it's second person point of view, it uses the word you. And if it's the third person point of view, um, it uses names, okay, more specifically. And I'll go through that a little bit more. So if you look at the first one, thus, I will be in London on the 9th of April. It has the I, so it is in first person. Next, he felt a hand on his shoulder. He goes down here. It's the he, she, they. It's almost like, if you think about it, like the scene is taking place in a snow globe and you're outside looking in. We don't know his name, so we're going to call him he. He felt a hand on his shoulder. So this is third person. It says, be sure to lock the door today. It has in front of it what's called the understood you, and you is second person. It says, high school can create problems in a student's social life. Now, it's not saying you high school. It's not saying I or we, so it becomes third person. Number 5, you should then switch to the Bunsen burner. Has the word you, so it goes with second person. It says, as a result, Rob retired early. Gives a specific name, so that makes it third person. So if you copy this information down right here on your papers, or look at it as you're doing the rest of the assignment, if you do a split screen, that will help. So hopefully that helped you guys by watching the video instead of just doing the assignment on your own. So good luck, have fun. Don't forget to finish the rest of the assignment, submit it to me through Canvas, and I'll see you guys later. Oh, once again, don't forget to come to office hours. If you have any questions, I'm bored, I'm staring at myself.